Hey guys, how's it going? It is early morning on Saturday. It is like 6 in the morning right now. Getting ready, getting some stuff ready to go so that we can go out garage sailing. But there's a few things that we need to pull, a few orders that we need to pull to ship out today. We ship out on Saturday usually. Things that we need to get out, we don't usually wait till Monday. We get them out on Saturday. So I'm pulling those orders right now. Usually this is how I start my Saturday mornings. I'll get up, make some coffee, ship some orders, and then we'll get ready to go to garage sales. So anyway, the first thing that's sold is, let's see here. Oh, okay. Oh, by the way guys, this Funko Pop right here, Pam and I decided to give this Funko Pop away to a lucky viewer. And the way you can win it is you can go follow Pam's YouTube channel. It's linked below, and she's going to be posting a video on that channel at an undisclosed time and date with a trivia question, and the first person to get the trivia question correct in the comments, so it'll probably go fast, the first person to get the question right in the comments will win this Funko Pop. So if you're interested in that, go check it out, go follow her channel, and yeah, good luck. But the first thing that's sold is actually something kind of cool. Whoa, not cool, but like something pretty interesting. We sold this right here. So we picked this up at a garage sale in a big box full of stuff, and I saw the GameCube manuals. It was just like the GameCube console manuals and stuff. So I'm like, somebody might want those, you know, somebody that's reselling a console that has like the original box, but for whatever reason they don't have the manuals. So I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna grab them. So I did. I grabbed the manuals and listed them up on eBay for like 10 bucks free ship. You know, I mean, they're gonna cost hardly anything to ship. They don't weigh hardly anything. They're just a few pieces of paper basically. And they ended up selling for that, so that was really cool. So this is kind of my out of the box thinking sort of pick right here. And it paid off. I mean, 10 bucks for this little pamphlet, that's not bad. Then the next thing we sold, if you've been watching the channel, you would know that we do really well, at least lately, with Sony Handycams. So we sold this Sony Handycam right here. This is not a super valuable one. The ones that have the, you know, like the cassette tape decks in them that record on the tapes are worth more than these things. This is just a digital version, and it is model number DCR SR45. We picked this up at a garage sale for like $1. You know, we get it real cheap. I can't even remember like what garage sale we got it at, because we have so many of them. But this thing sold, this little guy sold for $15 plus shipping. So not too bad. I think I had this thing listed for like 20 bucks plus shipping. And it sold. It doesn't come with any chargers or anything like that. It's just the camera and a battery right there. So 15 bucks plus shipping. Not too bad. The next thing we sold was actually a shirt, and I think it's this one right here, it's right on top. It's Patagonia, I believe. Let me check my phone to make sure. Yep, Patagonia. We've had this shirt for quite a while, honestly. We listed this like, oh geez, probably like last fall or winter. And we've had it for a long time. Not a quick mover at all. But hey, I'll take it. It finally sold. And it sold for $10. I think it was like $10.99 plus shipping. So, not too bad. Can't complain. We probably picked it up at a thrift store for like, you know, $1 or $2. I think that's all it was. So, not bad. Then the last thing we got going out is this thing right here. This LG Super Blue. Be careful. I want anything to fall. LG Super Blue internal Blu-ray disc rewriter. We've had this for quite a while. I kind of overpaid for it, I think. The reason why I think I overpaid is because it would have been a good buy for the price I paid had it been, you know, like a sealed box, but it has been opened. It has not been used, however. I mean, it's all brand new in there. But, you know, it's open box. Close it back up here. And I picked this up at a local deal. It was on Facebook Marketplace, and I decided to meet up with this guy and buy it. Yeah, he had it listed for 20 bucks. I just gave him the 20 bucks for the thing. And I mean, not crazy profits, guys, but I mean, hey, I didn't lose out on the deal anyway. It sat around for quite a while, but it did finally sell for $40 plus shipping. So not too bad. I think I had this listed for 50, and then I had an offer come through for 40, and I took that. So, and it's weird. It took the buyer probably like, I thought I was gonna have to relist it, but it took the buyer like, I think it was like 3 or 4 days to pay for the thing, and they didn't pay for it until yesterday on Friday. So it must have been payday or something. but did finally get paid for it, and it's going out today. So not too bad. All right, guys, so we are back home from garage sales. It is Saturday afternoon now. I just got finished editing a video, and I'm uploading that to YouTube right now. For those of you who kind of don't know how YouTube works, like the work that goes in behind the scenes to put a YouTube video out, basically what happens is it's kind of a long process, a little bit anyway. Basically what happens is, you know, obviously we film the video, and then it's edited on iMovie. We use iMovie, and then it goes through a rendering process after it's all edited. What rendering basically means is it takes the video that is edited in the iMovie software and it puts it in a separate drive as one clip, or as like one file, into another file on your computer so that it can be uploaded to YouTube. And when a video is rendering, that usually takes, depends on what kind of computer you have. I have just a MacBook Air here, but I mean, it can take, depending how long the video is, it can take a while. Usually it takes about, you know, 30 to 40 minutes to render a video with my computer. I know people who have better computers, sometimes it's, you know, a lot faster than that. But anyway, and then it takes about an hour to upload to YouTube. So after the video's edited, you know, it's still like a couple hours before release, really. Like that's the kind of time it takes. But anyway, we're here in the eBay room. I just got done, finished doing that. It's uploaded to YouTube, it's still set to private. And I just have to title it and all that, and then you put it out. So that's kind of like the behind the scenes thing for, you know, YouTube content creation, I guess. But anyway, right now I'm working on something. I want to show you guys what's kind of going on here. I got this box right here off of Amazon, and I'll show you guys what it is here in a second. Actually, look at this. Look at this super wife out here. She's out there mowing the lawn. Our lawn needs it so bad. Look at how long it is. I don't know if you guys can tell. But super wife to the rescue out there mowing the lawn. No, guys, I don't make her do it. She actually really likes mowing the lawn. So, hey, I'm not going to complain because I really don't like it. But anyway, let's get into this little box right here. And I'll show you guys what I got up my sleeve, what I'm working on. All right, I'm really excited about these. I got a remote, look at that. Got a remote. And then we have 6 LED lights here, guys. Look at them. These are pretty sweet. So, and they come with little stickies. So basically, I was watching my good buddy over at RVA Flips, Justin. If you guys don't know who he is, definitely go check him out. RVA Flips on YouTube. He just had a viral video like geez, it's probably been like out about a month at this point. But I got like crazy views, and his channel's been blowing up, guys. So go show Justin some support. He's a great guy, great friend of the channel. But anyway, I was watching his channel, and he was at his storage unit, and his storage unit's always super dark. So he decided to get some lights for his storage unit. And he got 6 of these lights off of Amazon. And he was really liking them, and I couldn't believe how well they lit up his storage unit. And here in our eBay room, I mean, we have this light here, but as far as like, you know, kind of doing filming and stuff in here when we're pulling orders and kind of showing you guys what we're working on, it's really dark. And I mean, it's not bad, but the darkness kind of drives me a little bit crazy. We've got one window here that allows natural light in, but like as you guys can see, like it's midday and it's kind of dark right here. You know what I mean? It's kind of dark in here. So we can see things for the most part, but I don't know. I just wanted it to be lit up a little bit more. So I got these lights and I think I'm gonna stick them. I might only need like, I don't know, I might only need 4. I'm gonna try it and see. But I'm gonna stick these lights up and see what they do and see if they really lighten the room up a little bit. These were actually really, really affordable. They were only like, I think they were only like 30 bucks or something for these 6 lights. And they run off this little remote. So I'm gonna hang these little babies up. I'm gonna see how it looks in here. All right, so I just opened the first one up and set the batteries. And man, I can already tell these are gonna be awesome. These are gonna be really awesome. So they also have the feature where you can push them and they'll turn on. Wow, these are cool. These are really, really cool. You know you're a reseller when lights get you excited. All right, I'm gonna start with these 4 lights here. I'll put these other 2 back in the box. I might use them, but we'll see how the 4 look at first. Let's see how they work out. All right, let me turn this light off here so we can tell. So basically all the lights, they come with like little 3M stickies and double-sided stickies. You just stick them on the lights and then I just stuck them right to the ceiling. I mean, what the heck, right? They'll be all right. And then it comes with this nifty little remote. And all right, let's give it a shot. What? And then that is cool. I didn't line them up. No, I didn't line them up. I just kind of threw them up on the ceiling. I think they'll be fine. I wasn't picky with it, guys. I just kind of threw them up there. But I think these are gonna work. I really do. I think these are gonna work great. I can already tell, and like it's daytime in here right now, so it's hard to tell, like really tell, but I think these things are gonna work great. I can already tell that it's a little bit brighter in here, just from those few little lights. So this is awesome. I'm excited. I might even put a little more over here. I don't know. Maybe I could put the other 2 like right there and right there. Maybe I'll do that. I think I'll do that. All right, the last one's on. Whew, look at that. That is awesome. I am excited. I am really excited. I can't wait to see what it looks like in here at night. I think there's gonna be a huge difference. I really do. Wow. Yeah, so these lights are pretty awesome. So shout out to Justin for showing us these lights. I'm pretty sure he got referred these lights by one of his viewers, I think. I'm pretty sure one of his viewers told him about these things. So I'm not sure who that was, but man, they are really changing the reselling game here. No, but these are awesome. I am very happy with these things. They're great. As you guys know, we don't have a storage unit. Most of our storage is right here in our house. It's right here in our eBay room, actually. And I want to work on really kind of getting more organized in here. It's kind of a losing battle. We're starting to catch up on our unlisted inventory. We're going to do some listing here this afternoon and hopefully really catch up. I say that a lot, but I really am hoping that we do. But, you know, lately garage sales have been a little bit slow, so we haven't been sourcing a ton of stuff. We've gotten some decent stuff, but not a super high quantity. And a lot of the stuff that we're picking up is selling very quickly, so we're not in possession of it long anyway. So it's not like it's really building up in here, at least lately, which is good. I would really like to maybe get some more shelving in here. I don't know where I'd put it though. I really don't. If anywhere, it would be right here and building up even more. So, but there's only going to be so much that we can do in this room as far as storage. So eventually I'm thinking that we are probably going to have to kind of move out of here. Not
obviously totally move out of here, but like, you know, expand our storage to other places alongside this room here, whether that be a storage unit or somewhere else in the house. I know Pam probably isn't really, there's still tape on the wall here from balloon bucks, guys. I know Pam probably isn't really a huge fan of having more inventory, you know, in other places of the house, and I'm really not either. So maybe a storage unit in the future, I don't know, we'll have to see what happens. But yeah, that's what we're working on now, and that is what's going on. So anyway, I want to thank you guys so much for watching. We're gonna get to work. Pam pretty much mowed the whole front lawn while we were filming this. So man, the lawn was so long. It literally looks like our front lawn was just hayed. You can see all the all the clippings. We don't have a bagger on the lawnmower, so whatever. Fertilizer or hay, I don't know. Oh man, whatever. It'll be okay. It'll dry out, maybe we'll have to rake it. But anyway, I think that is going to wrap it up pretty much for today. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and yeah, we'll probably see you in the next one. Not probably, we definitely will. Alright guys, see ya.